Introduction to Hydropower Safety Systems.
Hydropower plants generate electricity by harnessing the power of flowing water. Like all large infrastructure, they face risks such as mechanical failures or flooding. To ensure reliable operation and protect communities, these plants rely on a combination of advanced safety systems. Let's explore how these crucial systems work together to prevent failures and keep hydropower safe.
Monitoring and control systems.
Real-time monitoring is the backbone of hydropower safety. Sensors constantly check water pressure, flow rates, equipment temperatures, and vibration levels. Automated control systems can respond instantly to any abnormal readings, adjusting valves, shutting down turbines, or raising alarms. This continuous oversight helps operators detect issues early and take action before they become larger problems.
Emergency shutdown mechanisms.
Emergency shutdown systems are a critical defense against plant failures. If sensors or software detect dangerously high pressures or mechanical problems, these systems can rapidly stop turbines, close intake gates, or isolate sections of the plant. Fast, automatic shutdowns minimize the risk of destruction to equipment and prevent potential flooding downstream.
Flood and overflow prevention.
Spillways and overflow gates help manage excess water during heavy rains or sudden inflows. These structures automatically release extra water from the reservoir in a controlled way, preventing dangerous rises in water levels. By directing water safely away from the plant and surrounding communities, spillways play a key part in hydropower safety strategies.
Routine inspections and maintenance.
Regular inspections are vital for keeping safety systems and equipment in top condition. Plant staff routinely check dams, gates, turbines, and monitoring devices for signs of wear or malfunction. Proactive maintenance, like replacing worn parts before they fail, reduces the chance of unexpected breakdowns, ensuring hydropower plants operate safely year-round.
Collaboration and emergency planning.
Hydropower facilities work closely with local authorities and emergency responders. Detailed emergency plans outline actions to take in case of severe weather or equipment failure, including evacuation procedures and public alerts. This coordinated approach ensures a swift, organized response, adding another essential layer of protection for both the facility and nearby communities.